Hello, I'm doing a review for Liz Tech Portable Wireless Doorbell with plug-in receiver and remote. The receiver is back there. I'm going to show you the volume. It has 4 levels of volume. Go ahead and press it. This is the lowest. That's the highest. Press it again. Okay, that's the lowest. Press it again. It's a little bit louder. Press it. That's a little bit louder, and then that's the loudest. Unplug it. Okay, that is a very long chime. Here. I'm not going to go through all. There's 52 different chimes. I don't know why you need that many. I just use the regular bell noise, but you've seen that it lit up, and then the button, this also lights up when pressed. This button does the volume level, and this, it has a music note. It goes through the different chimes. It also comes with double-sided tape so that this can be taped. It has 2 screws and a 12-volt A23 alkaline battery. It's in here. It already came in here. But that's what it looks like. You're good to go. Just close the door, please. My 10-year-old assisted me. That was fun. You see the plug-in, and this is where the volume comes out of. I was going to use this for the back door on our gate, on our fence, but I don't see that it's waterproof to put this, and our front door already has a doorbell with an intercom. So what we use this for is I keep this right there, and then my son has this part because his room is so far away, and I work a lot on the computer, and I have earbuds in sometimes. So when he's ready for bed or needs something at night, he just presses that. And then it's another reason would be nice. I know that I do home health, and I would do overnight visits, and it would be nice for the lady that I took care of to have this, and then this part to be in the room I'm in, so if she needs help with anything, she just presses that. So that would be another example that it would be good to have. The unit is CC, FCC, and ROHS certified. Couldn't tell you what that means, but it is. The operating range is 500 feet in a enclosed area and 1,000 feet in an open area. It works great. It is by Liz Tech, and it's only $20, so pretty good deal. That's all I've got. Thanks for watching, and feel free to like and subscribe.